Great. Exceptional, awesome place and also a great and helpful team. We enjoyed the hospitality and services. Great location too. Thank you. Purple heart, nice and relaxing. Clean and accessible. This was my first stay in a long time at an extended stay facility and was very pleased with the cleanliness and location of the hotel. My primary desires aside from that is Wi-Fi and coffee. I was happy with the Wi-Fi and ease of sign-in, but take care not to accidentally sign up for the enhanced Wi-Fi if you are not concerned with streaming your own movies, etc. This could cost you extra, and I did witness a guest expressing concerns at the front desk. Don't know how it ended. They do not have coffee pots, or any other utensils, in the room based on COVID-19. I don't need plates and pots, etc., but if you do, what are your options? Having a stove is useless, right? I can overlook the coffee pot if there is a way to get hot coffee in the morning, but there is not. Also COVID-19 related. Parking is $15 plus tax, $17.01. Wow. I think applied to all who did not book directly with hotel. Very few green permits displayed in the lot. Staff, night shift, is very helpful. The staff is very helpful and kind. Amy was willing to help us to provide hot water even at midnight without hesitation, when we asked. It was very impressive. Exceptional, no ice.